hundreds of men who are available for combat even when you raise the flag of intransigence. For instance, Commander Jimmy Lukman here, he had how many men yesterday? 27. He was mentioned as having only 27 men, but he has several thousands under him, and they are still in the field and they are waiting. They're waiting for these commanders to go back and tell them what has happened in Malacanang. What did the President say? Has he given us the right to return as free men? Has he given us the right to be treated as citizens of the Republic and not as second-class citizens of the Republic of the Philippines? And I say to you, as long as I am President, you will be treated as brothers, comrades, and the equal of any Filipino here. I wanted to emphasize the fact also that the Muslim Mindanao area is an area with many problems that were left behind. Nasabi ko na nga kanina ng mga dayuhan. The colonizers left the time bomb in Mindanao. Hindi nila inayos tayo eh. Pinabayaan nila tayo nag-away-away. Hindi lang sa pinabayaan tayo nag-away-away, pinag-away pa tayo. Pinag-away-away pa tayo. Pagkatakala nila sa pamagitan ng pag-aaway ng mga magkakapatid ay kanilang mahahati ang ating lupa. Anong bakit magkakaroon ng araw ng alala ba ninyo sila sa panahon ng Amerikano dyan lumaki si blackjack Persing around Lanao Lake. Saan nakakuha ng malaking pangalan? He was the first one to bring artillery into the Lanao Lake. Tuwing mababasa nung araw yung mga labanan natin sa Lanao Lake, alam ninyo ako isang estudyante ng history. Binasa ko lahat ng mga laban din ni Persing sa Lanao. Pare-parehong pangalan. Lahat ng mga bayan, lahat ng mga sityo, lahat ng mga, naroon lahat.